Welcome to the Albuquerque Airport, folks. Coming in on Yale Boulevard. Gonna drop the car off, check out the airport. Well, here's the drop-off. I may have missed the rental area. Parking to the left for departures. Yeah, well, there you have it. Once you complete the loop, it'll tell you where the rental car drop-off is. I would allow for probably an extra 10 to 15 minutes with the shuttles. It does require a shuttle for the rentals. There's the shuttle. All right, just got off the shuttle. Looks like they got some construction going on here. Here's the main lobby. You come in for ticketing. I'm old-fashioned, so I print the boarding pass. Even though I understand everything's digital, that's just my thing. A, B, and C gates. It's very Adobe-like. Love it. Got a coffee shop down here while you wait for your folks. Your party? Get through TSA and then do a little tour. Interesting. Sea gates are over here. All right. Oh, cool. Filters. So that one's kind of low. All right. Here's the food court, the lounge. You got a Dunkin'. Some sort of bar. Teller. That's cool. Something called Flavor. See a panda down there. Nice. I love this airport. Let's see what they got here. Coming soon. Best in the city. Cheese and coffee. Interesting combination. It's the workstation, it looks like. Alright, pretty simple. A and B. B gates. A gates. More shops, bathrooms, some food options. A lot under construction here. They have like a little jewelry shop. That's cool. Seats are nice in here. We got a bar right next to the gate. That's the jewelry box, or the jewelry store I'm saying. It's literally right there by their gate. Cool airport. Love it. See y'all later.